Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable the spot cleaning on the Tosima W5 window cleaning robot. So if you want to enable spot cleaning, which is basically the option where it just cleans one spot on the window, what you're going to do is just start up the robot as usually. So just a normal startup, you put it on the window, press the button, and then you're going to pull out your remote that comes with the robot, and then you're going to press on this spot cleaning button, and it's going to start cleaning in the spot where the robot is positioned. So you're gonna want it to position the robot in the spot that you want to clean first, and then just press this button right here. And then once it's done, you can just place it in another spot and use it again. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.